What's up? Aaron with Quality Service today out of Mebane, North Carolina. We're gonna go over real quick. Gas water heater and garage codes. Some of these codes go to electric also, but primarily gas. We're gonna be going over this one. So you need your temperature pressure relief pipe down within 4 to 6 inches of the floor. It doesn't have to have an air gap. This fitting right here has to have brass or stainless threads. It can't be plastic. It has to be rigid pipe, copper, CPVC. It can't be PVC because PVC is not rated for hot water. If it's going to be PEX, you have to strap it at the bottom. I don't really suggest using PEX. PEX reduces the inner pipe diameter. They will pass inspection, but technically it's not right. They look bad too. New state water heaters. This one's on a stand. It was on a stand before. You don't have to get rid of the stand, but if you have clearance issues, in the book it's FVIR rated, flame retardant. Basically it keeps, I don't know the actual terms for it, but they're sealed combustion now. So they won't ignite. The ignition source is sealed off enough that you don't have to have the stand. You can set it right on the floor now. If it was an electric water heater, it would have to be 18 inches off the floor. Dirt trap. Gas water heater has to have a dirt trap. The union, there must be a union, a shutoff valve, a way to disconnect the gas after the shutoff valve, and a cap on the bottom of it. It has to be flowing against flow. So if I turn this T this way, my gas can't just flow through the drip leg. It has to go against it. That's dirt trap, so any dirt in the gas doesn't get hung over the gas valve. I saw a heater one time that had that issue. It was slap plugged up with just like flaking of the copper gas line or something going on. It has to be insulated. The pipes have to be insulated all the way up. You have to have rigid pipe, copper, brass, 6 inches from the vent. You cannot run PEX straight to the top of the heater. You have to have you cannot use tape on this vent. It has to be screwed down. There has to be 4 screws in the top of the legs on the vent. You have to have a thermal expansion tank after the cold water shutoff valve so you can service it. The thermal expansion tank in a garage has to be insulated. A lot of times you just take 6-inch ductwork, you'll cut a piece off big enough, pull the spring out of it, slide it over. Aluminum tape looks really good, really clean looking install. Make sure everything's insulated up. If it is in the path, this one is not in the path of a car, it's off to the side, but if it's in the path of a car, it has to have a ballard, a 36-inch ballard right up near the heater so you can't run into your water heater with your car. That applies to electric or gas. If it's in the path of the car, if the car can turn and hit it, there has to be something stopping it from easy contact. It's a gas water heater, it's in the home, it's in the garage. It still has to have CO detectors outside the bedrooms, first floor, second floor. You have to have CO detectors. All right, I hope that helps. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. For more videos, I hope this helps you out.